And then after 30 seconds, they go into live play. At the end of the match, the teams then go up onto the platform you see in front of the driver's station in order to get additional points as they end their match. So teams, we're going to pretend this is the end of the match. Let's head up to the habitats.
Can you see the thing where they're going
get up on there?
to stand?
All right, apparently the teams cannot hear me. All right, teams, just pretend end of the match. Up onto the habitats. There we go.
Can you get a better picture of the
habitat?
The habitat.
All right. They're having fun demonstrating the game. Back behind me, we have all of our teams' pits. Come back here, talk to the teams, find out about their program, find out how they raise money, how they apply for scholarships, how they build their robots. They'll let you check these robots up live and close. And over here to my left, we have First Tech Challenge. They're letting students actually drive those robots. So young people, if you would like to drive one of the robots on the Tech Challenge field over here to the left, please make sure you do so. If you'd like to get more information about FIRST programs and how you can get involved, right behind me is the Kansas City STEM Alliance booth. They support FIRST here in Kansas City, and they can give you that information. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give these high school students a great round of applause. Fantastic job this year. Thank you for coming and demonstrating our robots.
Real time.